بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على النبي الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Congratulations to the winning team. لكن waxaa idin sheegaa who won is a Hormuz University. It's not one faculty, it's not two faculties. All of you have won. And thanks to the team, thank you to the dean, and thanks to all those who have participated in this. And for your information, this is just the beginning of what we are going to do this year and next year, inshallah. Ramadan Kareem, and congratulations to all. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khair.